So where's the other body?
Come in.
Now what are we up to? Oh my god. What are we doing now?
Blanche, you're not gonna sell this house. Daddy bought this house, and he bought it for me.
You're wrong, Jane. You've just forgotten. I bought this house for the two of us when I signed my first contract.
You don't think I remember anything, do you? There's a whole lot I do remember. You never paid for this house. Baby Jane Hudson made the money to pay for this house. That's who.
You know what you're saying.
Blanche, you aren't ever gonna sell this house, and you aren't ever gonna leave it either.
Jane! Jane! Do you remember when I first came back after the accident?
You promised you wouldn't ever talk about this again.
I know I did. But I'm still in this chair. After all those years, I'm still in this chair. Doesn't that give you some kind of responsibility? Jane, I'm just trying to explain how things really are. You wouldn't be able to do these awful things to me if I was still in this chair.
But you are, Blanche. You are in that chair. And tell me, what are these awful things I'm supposed to be doing to you?
Well, you won't you won't have to work so hard. And I was thinking, maybe Elvira can come in more often. And maybe she can live with us.
We don't need Alvera.
But you're so tired. There's so much to do, and you're not well.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I should get a checkup or something.
That would be wonderful. Perhaps we can find a really good doctor.
Well, we could get hold of that nice Dr. Shelby, could we? Yeah, let's see. What's his number again? And under no circumstances tell my sister the content of this note. It's not me that needs a doctor, Blanche.
Yeah.
That was so funny. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Oh, that's so good. Oh my, thank you. Oh, take a picture of them together. Wait.